So we have got ourselves hero section. So you can see the design language, design colors, brand kits, everything is very similar to what we have created above. HTML, CSS file and packed in zip file. And here so in this video, I'm going to give you a prompting to 1.5 image and also how you can craft a landing page using these 1.5 image model. If you are not a member of promptslove.com, do join that for free. I have enabled this GPT Image 1.5 skeleton prompt for marketers. This is the basics of engineering your 1.5 image prompts. So if you go here, you will find this skeleton. Skeleton will help you craft engaging content using this prompt. Copy and paste that into the chat GPT here and select the create image option. So here it says the draw and edit. So next we look at the goal, the conversion goal. This is a brand. So here you will apply your colors. There's a content, different what type of content you want to use. For example, for the product benefit, if you want to apply, and the required on image text. So this is the style, which style you want: vector, editorial, UI, UX, mood, lighting, anything. And there's a composition which is about the camera angle. The constant, which is the negative prompt, do not add watermark, do not change brand colors, keep text spelled exactly. So this is how you can simply do that. For this video, we are going to create a landing page with consistent colors and branding. Using this same skeleton, we will be drafting a prompt here. Draw a U for my website promptslove.com, which is about AI prompt. So this is what you need to draw. And here I will say the goal is designing hero section of the landing page. So here I will give the website name, also give what my website is all about. The goal is creating a hero section of a landing page, and there's a brand kit colors you can use. For the brand kit colors, what I'm going to do is going to my website from promptslove.com, and you can use our developers toolkit. I will put the link in the description box. There is CSS and design extraction. You can extract colors. Just copy this. It will copy that usage of this. And the other one is this one, and black background. So here I will say ambience colors this. So the content, which I've already told, the goal is to designing hero. Content is to create engaging landing page, modern, salesy, because focus is to be sales specific. So here is the template. So style, here style is combination of 3D and 2D. So there's a composition which is subject position. This I don't think we need a composition for this. This is about the UI element. And do not add watermark, do not change brand colors, keep text spelled exactly. Now we will start creating this, but before, resolution add 1 to create into 4:3 because we need a wider screen. So let's just wait for the output. And there you go. So we have got ourselves hero section, and now we don't need to code that right away. Now we need to create a multiple section. So we will use this as our reference image. Just copy this particular button and paste that. I don't know why it's not working, so I will just put that here. Now I will select the create image, refer to the attached image for designing elements, brand colors, and designing language. Now build next section, that is features, which is 20,000 plus prompts, 200 plus 8 templates, and 100 plus Gen AI prompts. So this is something which I want to like, but you can add more information to it. But for example, what type of the UI I want to create, for example, the card style, the blog style, we will dig deeper. But the purpose of this video is to workflow to how you can easily create a landing page using this workflow. Now build the next section, which is feature. It has a reference to the above prompt, so you don't need to worry about the next one. Let's keep building like that. There you go. So you can see the design language, design colors, brand kits, everything is very similar to what we have created above. Now let me complete until the footer section of our landing page. So this is the first. Second will be this with the feature. Third will be the testimonial. Fourth will be the pricing, and then the CTA, and then the footer. So let me complete all the section here. Then we will move on to developing our landing page. There you go. This is the features. This is a wall of testimonial. As you can see, it's actually replying to prompts love. The accuracy in writing the text is actually huge, better than GPT Image 1. This is the pricing section, and this is the footer. So now download all the results here. So let me go here in the download section. So first you need to define each page. For example, hero section. This is the feature section, and quick look. And this will be testimonial section, this will be pricing section, this will be footer section, right? And select the 5.2 thinking model and drag and drop all the images. Like here the prompt will be the now code the landing page. I will put all the prompts in the description box, you can check that out. Add any custom color by GPT, and there is another section as requested in the image. Don't add another section, just whatever you find in these screenshot, just add those. And there is a don't use React Next.js stack because it usually use the React.js as default, so I specifically add that to just give me a HTML, CSS and JS. That's it. Now let's click on, before clicking on this, just open this canvas, just select this canvas option and press enter. Make sure you select the 5.2 thinking model. It won't work not even closely as you may see in the output, because thinking model is way better than the other one. And let me just press enter. So let's just wait for the output. Now why I'm telling you to use thinking model, if you see the thinking steps, so here it will analyze each and every image in detail. And if you see the pricing and footer layout for the pricing, I will create 2 cards. So it's just add all the pointers in its thinking, and then it will craft a very close to our mockups. They say I will focus on the footer now, ensuring it aligns with our overall design. We already have the pricing section set, but I need to make sure the footer design including CTA button matches the expectations. So it's just pointing it out at the back, and it thinks a lot. So after it thinks a lot, it points in a better way than the other model, but obviously it's not that great as Opus 4.5, but it is way better. Are just spending $20. This is huge. Okay, so here we have a downloadable zip file. If you see the thinking here, it created a CSS, HTML, CSS file and packed in zip file, and here is the output. So this is well designed, and you can see the mascot is also designed by GPT, and this is a pretty window. You can simply edit that in the HTML. You can select each text here. This is the feature section. This is the testimonial section, which also have add prompts love, which you handle, and it's also clickable buttons. And there is a pricing table, which is monthly and one-time fee, and there's a footer section as well. So this is how you can convert your design from image 1.5 to working landing page like this. So this is just the use case. You can create more UI elements from the GPT image and put that into HTML, CSS, JS, and the use case will be more. If you are creating a component, you can simply create that using GPT image one, which is very optimized way to simply visualize that and put that on the code. So this is the workflow which I wanted to know. So how did you like this video? Do let me know. More are coming up in the future. Join me on promptslab.com.